सबसे पहले तो इतनी बड़ी फिल्म है, सबसे पहले किरदार के बारे में कुछ बताइए, किस तरह का किरदार निभा रहे हैं आप दोनों?
ओके
हाँ जी, सो मेरा जो किरदार है उसका नाम शैरन पिंटो है, वो गोवा से है, मैं बंगाली हूँ, आई एम फ्रॉम कोलकाता, तो वहाँ पे देयर इज नो सिमिलैरिटी, बट शैरन का जो कैरेक्टर है, शी इज समबडी हु इज अ फ्री स्पिरिट, हु इज फन लविंग, शी इज अ गोनीज क्रिश्चियन गर्ल, बट एट द सेम टाइम शी इज समबडी हु इज वेरी हाई ऑन हर मॉरल्स. वो एक बिकिनी शूट के लिए जाती है, शी टेक्स पार्ट इन अ कैलेंडर शूट बिकॉज शी इज लुकिंग फॉर एडवेंचर. But she doesn't know what she's going to expect out of this industry. So there's always a good and a bad side to every industry, you know. And I think that is the dilemma she faces when she meets all these challenges in her life and she doesn't know what to do. So yeah, and I find a lot of similarity between Sharon's character and my character because like Sharon Pinto, I have come from a city like Kolkata. And I don't know anybody in this industry. Like my family doesn't belong from this industry. So I had to take up those challenges myself. I think that's the only similarity that I have with Sharon, but otherwise I think Sharon Pinto is somebody that I'd like to be like. The more I think of the character, I feel quite intrigued by her.
Rumi.
Well, I'm Ruhi Singh and I play Mayuri Chauhan in the film, who's from Rohtak. Now, Mayuri is this super witty, super entertaining girl who's a go-getter. She's very ambitious, she knows what she wants and she knows how to get it. So there are two ways, you know, there's work hard, there's work smart, so she works smartly. Yes, real life, I think very, very similar. Mayuri, I would say, is an extension of Ruhi in quite a few ways, and I had a great time playing that character. Now she's from Rohtak and I'm from Jaipur, so accent and काफ़ी कुछ similar होता है because it's the north, the west. It's the west. But you know, जब North Indians होते हैं, we are very normally we are confident and एक spark जो उन लोगों में होता है, so वो मयूरी में है, and it's going to be she's going to be a very interesting character to watch. I hope everybody likes her.
मधुर जी के साथ काफ़ी बड़ी एक्ट्रेस ने काम किया है बॉलीवुड से, तो जब ये आपके पास ये किरदार आया तो आपका क्या रिएक्शन था और किस तरह से आया आपके पास ये किरदार?
Okay, starting with me again. देखिए, मधुर सर एज अ डायरेक्टर, आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट फॉर हिम बिकॉज आई सीन ऑल हिज फिल्म्स, चांदनी बार से लेकर कॉर्पोरेट से लेकर फैशन, यू नो, एंड ही हैज़ ऑलवेज वर्कड विद स्टार्स, बी इट प्रियंका चोपड़ा और करीना कपूर. And I think it's great that he's given an opportunity to newcomers, not one but 5 newcomers to this industry. I think ये बहुत बड़ी बात है because it takes guts to work with a newcomer, especially at a time where people mostly want to work with stars. And the good part about Calendar Girls is that when I first heard about the film and I heard that there are 5 actresses, I was like, are you serious? Because how are we going to, like, you know, share screen space and what's going to happen and all of that? But Madhu sir just told me one thing, that listen, the 5 of you are the heroes of my film. So though we have co-stars, we are the ones who are actually carrying the film on our shoulders, and I think to get that in our first film is a big deal. Because it's very easy, you know, to get a film with an actor कि 2 गाने कर लो, एक hot scene कर लो, बस यही काम है. But out here we are expected a lot more because we are expected to perform, and as we all know, Madhur Bhandarkar films are performance oriented and content driven. So हाँ, it was a great opportunity to, like, you know, make a debut with such a film like Calendar Girls.
Ruhi.
Well, as she just said, it was an amazing opportunity for all of us to debut with Madhur Bhandarkar. For me, it was there was this film called The World Before Her where I was one of the protagonists, and Sir saw my film and he was very impressed. He really liked me in the movie, and he told me that he saw a spark in me, and he saw his Mayuri Chauhan when he saw that film. And then he met me in his office and we talked about everything but Calendar Girls. I was very confused. I was like, is he casting me or are we just having a conversation here? You know, we met again. Again we talked, but not about Calendar Girls. Later, one fine day, I just, there was a look test, a general look test, and I still did not know that I actually auditioned for this film. And then I got a call saying, tomorrow your workshops start. And I'm like, for what? They're like, Calendar Girls. I was like, really? Really? So, it was a very, you know, I didn't, it was in a very short span of time I got through the film and it was amazing. It was very surprising for me. I feel very lucky, I feel very blessed, very, very honored that Madhur has always been one of my favorite directors. So debuting with someone of that repute, of that expertise, excellence, it's quite an honor for all of us, and we are all 5 lucky people.
If you ask, because Madhur sir is a big brand, so
Yeah. So you know what? I feel it was actually the opposite, because in my head I kind of had built it up a lot more than it actually was. I was very nervous because I was the last girl to get casted, you know, and the 4 girls had an opportunity to go through a workshop, and I did not go through a workshop. So I always wanted to bring that extra bit when I came into my shoot the first day, you know, and but I realized that in a Madhur Bhandarkar set, it's the most chilled out experience ever. He's the coolest director, you know, because he makes work seem like you're not working at all. That's the funda. So he doesn't like any actor coming in with a very preconceived notions कि ये मेरी lines है, मैं एक method actor हूँ, या you know, nothing of that sort. He likes somebody who's just you know, a spontaneous actor who surrenders himself or herself to the director and just follows his vision. And you know, for me personally, I'm somebody who always feels after every scene, yeah, anything that I do in life, that I could have done it better. So I remember I kept judging myself and questioning myself. After every take, I'd be like, "Sir, ठीक था, और एक करते हैं," you know, and he'd be like, "Chill kar, you know, it's all good." And I remember, like, as I kept saying this, he actually called me and he said, "I want you to see the monitor once." He doesn't let you see the monitor quite easily. But he called me and he showed me the monitor and he said that, "Now tell me what you think." And I actually saw the monitor and I was like, it's a great scene. So that's when he told me one thing. He said, "You know what? Always trust your director. When your director tells that it's okay, means it's okay." So I think that is the one lesson that I've learned through this film, is to just surrender yourself to your director and just be spontaneous. That's the best.
go bro.
Yeah.
What have I learned? Quite a bit. I mean, I think I'm quite a learner, because every day I learn something new from different people. Whoever I meet in life, I learn something from them. And if you have a Madhur Bhandarkar with you, so there's quite a lot of things that, you know, you can really take home with you. Madhur sir definitely is a great director. He is very experienced and he's a perfectionist, I would say. When it, you know, acting technicalities, how to face the camera, how to catch the light, how to look good in front of the camera, how to give your takes again and again, emote, how to remember continuity, all those technicalities I learned on set, which are very, very important for an actor. And you know, the other day I got a compliment from somebody saying I don't look like a newcomer in the film. I look like a professional, someone who's done 3-4 films. And that has only happened because of Mr. Madhur Bhandarkar, because he is a perfectionist and he वो बोलते हैं ना, एक अच्छा डायरेक्टर वो होता है जो एक एक्टर से उसका बेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस निकलवा सके. So he has achieved that, and I'm so happy. I feel really blessed and I feel so lucky कि हम सबको actually हम सब इतने blessed हैं कि हमारी पहली फिल्म में हमें इतना एक women centric film, Madhur Bhandarkar जो कि अपने who is the flag bearer of women centric cinema, उनके साथ डेब्यू करने का मौका मिला. हम फिल्म के हीरो हैं and you know, इतनी अच्छी performances आई हैं. So we learned a lot and it was a great journey.
बॉलीवुड में जब भी कोई एक्ट्रेस डेब्यू करती है तो वो सोचती है कि मुझे ये रोल करना है या फिर ये कैरेक्टर करना है, ऐसा ड्रीम कैरेक्टर होता है उनके दिमाग में. तो आपके दिमाग में ऐसा कोई कैरेक्टर है या फिर ड्रीम डायरेक्टर है, अगर शेयर करना चाहें?
डेफिनेटली काफ़ी सारे एक्चुअली मैंने रिसेंटली फिल्म्स देखी हैं जहाँ पे एक गॉन गर्ल एक फिल्म आई थी एंड आई वुड लव टू प्ले दैट काइंड ऑफ अ कैरेक्टर. इंडिया में देखा जाए तो दीपिका पादुकोण इन कॉकटेल वाज अमेजिंग, मैरी कॉम, प्रियंका चोपड़ा. सो ऐसे कई सारे इंटरेस्टिंग कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं जहाँ पे अगेन ना सिमिलैरिटी क्या है कि यहाँ पे आपको परफॉर्म करने का मौका मिल रहा है. हम कंगना रनौत फ्रॉम तनु वेज मन्नू टू हम क्यों करना, क्वीन का क्यों करना चाहते हैं, बिकॉज वहाँ पे इट्स अबाउट हर, शी इज़ गेटिंग टू परफॉर्म. वो सिर्फ ट्रीज के पास में डांस नहीं कर रही हैं, वो एक शो पीस नहीं है, शी इज़ यू नो वो फिल्म उनके बारे में है. सो वहाँ पे एक एक्टिंग का बहुत स्कोप होता है. तो इस तरीके के किरदार. Also, I love commercial cinema, so I would love to work with Rohit Shetty, I would love to work with Anurag Kashyap, I would love to work with Karan Johar, anyone and everyone, because they're all so different, yet they're all so much fun to be with.
But what about Bollywood actors?
As in?
Any Bollywood actor with whom would you
Because-
like to make film or work
कोई
with?
भी नई हीरोइन जब आती है, you know, she come up with the thought कि खान्स के साथ काम करना है, कपूर्स के साथ काम
हाँ.
करना है, तो आप लोगों को भी है like कपूर्स, खान्स?
डेफिनेटली आई मीन हम सभी पहला आई थिंक जो इंसान होता है जिसके साथ हीरोइंस काम करना चाहेंगी वो है सलमान खान एंड आई वुड लव टू वर्क विद सलमान खान, शाहरुख खान. एक्चुअली हमारा जो रीसेंट ब्रिगेड ऑफ एक्टर्स हैं, वरुण धवन, सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा, आई एब्सोल्युटली अडोर आदित्य रॉय कपूर. Because when I saw Ashiki, I actually loved the way he performed. I think he was exceptional. And he played his character so well. No wonder so many girls fell in love with him. So I would love to work with all these heroes.
And what about?
I think this was a dream come true to, you know, work with Madhur Bhandarkar. But if there's one director that I want to work with in the future, it's Sanjay Leela Bhansali. You know, because I think I don't know if it's the sad part of it or not, because he only works with stars and I'm not a star yet because I've just done my first film.
You
but
become a star.
hopefully- yeah, it's like kind of like a dream, you know, and why not? There's you know, it's always good to dream big. So yeah, I'd love to work with Sanjay Leela Bhansali someday.
Super. So finally, viewers को क्या कहना चाहेंगे about Calendar Girls in your own little words?
So, Kyra,
Ruhi?
हम चाहेंगे कि आप कैलेंडर गर्ल्स देखिए. 25 सितंबर को हमारी फिल्म आ रही है. मधुर भंडारकर की फिल्म है ये भी. We have 5 calendar girls, एक hot लड़कियां हैं. Date with us, you know, it's your date with us, and it's going to be an amazing film to watch. High on content, high on drama, lots of glamour, and lots of girls.
And us, you know. So yes, 25th September, remember the date. We are coming to a screen near you and I hope you really love our film.
You bunk your college, school bunk करना है, आपको जो करना है आप कीजिए उस दिन. But please go to the theaters that day. Please watch our film. And we love you.
Perfect.
Thank you so much and all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you.
एक ही फिल्म में हैं आप दोनों?
नहीं, हम दोनों अलग अलग फिल्म में.
नहीं, second film में हम एक साथ नहीं हैं. We were there in Calendar Girls
Yes.
together. I am doing a film with Balaji. It's called XXX with Ken Ghosh and Ruhi.
इश्क फॉरएवर बाय मिस्टर शबीर बॉक्सवाला, जिन्होंने गुप्त और मोहरा और काफ़ी नामी फिल्म्स बनाई हैं. एंड आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड अबाउट इट बिकॉज हमने पूरी फिल्म केप टाउन में शूट की है एंड वी जस्ट फिनिश्ड आवर 45 days schedule. It's a comeback for, by the way, do you know Nadeem Shravan? You've heard of their music?
Yes.
So it was very melodious, एक बहुत ही अच्छे गाने थे.
बहुत ही
And
अच्छा
it's
music
Mr.
है.
Nadeem's comeback as a music director and there are 6 songs which are fantastic. So I'm looking forward.
Oh.
That releases in January. तो उसके लिए मैं बताने वाली हूँ कि
धीरे धीरे
धीरे पहले कैलेंडर गर्ल्स देख लीजिए. अभी भी हम बीच में देख के क्यों बात कर रहे हैं?
I know, मुझे you know, मैं direction काफी अच्छी तरह से लेती हूँ. मुझे जो बोला जाता है मैं वही
मैं
बोलती
वहाँ
हूँ.
देख के क्यों बात कर रही हूँ?
अच्छा, आप
कौन है
PR
वहाँ
कर रहे हैं?
या
नंबर मिल सकता है मुझे उनका?
जी
PR.
ले आप कुछ अभी चाहिए?
हाँ.
Cool. Are we still shooting?
मेरे बाल थोड़े अजीब लग रहे हैं आज. Why am I doing that?
Where is my phone? To put it in silent. Okay, now we're like addicted to our phones. That's not cool. What am I doing?
It is 98194.
98194 1 second.
One sec.
1 second रिकॉर्ड हो जाएगा.
This is getting recorded.
कट कर.